Hello guys, namaste, welcome back to Androtrix. Honor View 10. You might have heard of this phone as it's the first AI powered smartphone along with a neural processing unit in it. They say that it will adapt to your behavior and give you suggestions and settings based on how you use your phone. Well, that's a big claim and only time will tell if it's true. But for now, let me quickly unbox it and share my initial impressions on the Honor View 10. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. Right here I have the navy blue version of the Honor View 10 and I'll straight away say it feels premium. The 18:9 display along with matte blue finish at the back definitely looks killer. I also love that they managed to add the fingerprint at the front side even after pushing the displays over the edge of the screen. Good job, Honor. Talking about fingerprint, it's really fast. You just click it for a few milliseconds and you are good to go. And even after being so fast, security isn't compromised at all. There are two things for which I really look forward into in this device. First is the AI interactions and second is the battery life. It is packed with 3750 mAh battery and I am not sure how they managed to pack it in this slim device, although I can't say for sure without testing it thoroughly, but it seems very promising. I have been getting more than 6 hours of screen on time and that is absolutely amazing. Talking about AI interaction, they mentioned that the device would take up to 7 days to learn your behavior and only after that it will start suggesting. But yesterday when I was trying to watch YouTube video along with having a conversation on WhatsApp, I was switching between these two apps very frequently and all of a sudden I got a pop-up suggesting me to use the split screen mode and I was really impressed. Not sure if it was artificial intelligence interaction, but damn, I was surprised and impressed. Now whenever I am on the YouTube app, it gives me this shortcut to enter the split screen mode along with the WhatsApp notification. Stay tuned for my review. I am sure it will be interesting to watch more of these interactions. Now along with the neural processing unit, it is packed with Kirin 970, which is their latest chipset along with 6 gigs of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. I am really happy about their decision to add the micro SD slot along with the headphone jack when the whole world seems to be removing it. I am a big fan of devices which tend to have the headphone jack because I use it that often. Moving on to the last thing which I want to talk about in this video is the camera. It is packed with dual cameras of 20 megapixel and 16 megapixel and it has tons of camera modes. I'll be testing the camera in the upcoming days and post images on my Twitter and Instagram account, so make sure you're following me there if you want to know how it performs. That's pretty much for my initial impressions. Although we don't have any word on pricing yet, I am guessing that it would go against the Oneplus 5T, and if that's the case, I would say Oneplus finally has some good competition.